Lithium battery pack transformer inverter active equalization module. Range of use 4到24S. Li-ion life force. Equalizing current 0到5A. Equalization principle. High voltage energy is transferred to low voltage parallel transmission at the same time to realize battery voltage balance. Best balance effect 0.01-0.02 伏. Battery negative pole cable can act equalizer interface speed 0. Equalizer interface speed 0 can act the first series. Equalizer interface speed 2 can act the second series. Equalizer interface speed 3 can act the third series. Equalizer interface speed 4 can act the fourth series. Solder the cable to the battery pack in order. Very well the distribution cable. Because the battery pack BMS protection cable is signal line for monitoring voltage over current are affect the balanced effect. Therefore, suggest reweld the cable 0.5 平方毫米. Test the voltage of each string of battery pack by Sunkko T616 voltage analytical instrument. Pay attention the interface begin connect the negative pole. Before equalization, the max voltage 3.612 伏, the mean voltage 3.132 伏. Line sequence correct connection. When the positive and negative wire sequence of the battery pack is correctly connected, the corresponding LED light is red. When the line sequence is reversed or wrongly connected, the LED light does not light up or abnormal lighting. Find out the number of wrongly connected strings and connect them correctly before inserting the equalizing board for use. Connect the equalizer. First connect the negative pole to the socket, next positive pole. 13-string battery packs are connected to 14 lines in order, and the rest are not connected. Standby state positive pole LED lighting. Double-click the black tap switch to start the each-hour timed equalization. The equalization will end automatically after 1 hour. On timed equalization, positive pole LED flickering. Press the white alpha arcing switch to turn on the continuous equalization state. On continuous equalization, negative pole LED lighting and positive pole LED flickering. After equalization, stop the equalizer manually. We can monitor the voltage variation by T616 voltage analytical instrument. That can also use a digital clamp meter to monitor the equalizing current real time. Equalizing current not continuous way. The smaller the internal resistance, the greater voltage difference, the greater the equilibrium current. Equilibrium time correlation. The equalization time of high-capacity battery pack will be longer. The smaller the equalizing voltage difference, the longer the time, the more effective. The smaller the equalizing voltage difference, the longer the time, the more effective. After equalization, the max voltage 3.555 伏, the mean voltage 3.545伏, voltage difference 0.01 伏. After equalization, press the white alpha arcing switch to enter the standby state. Note that it is necessary to unplug the raw plug from the positive pole first, and then unplug the raw plug from the negative pole. Complete the balancing work.